Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to work. It's time to work. DraftKings is in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can hear me, type some ones in the chat if you can hear me. I'm about to call first rate setup for the week. If you guys can hear me, type some ones in the chat. I want to be sure you guys can hear me. Somebody talk to me. Can you guys hear me? I mean, if you can't hear me, then I can't proceed. Can anybody hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Perfect. Good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
ladies
Yes,
and
sir.
gentlemen, first trade of the day is EUR GBP. I am in a buy right now. Right now, it's actually sitting on my entry here, right here. It's actually sitting there. So I'm buying EUR GBP here and now. Here and now. And as I explained on my Zoom earlier, all right, this is going to give us a stop loss. Let's see how many pips from here. Let's see. Stop loss of let's say about 20 pips, 21 pips. First target 25 pips. Second target 40 pips. And then you're going to leave one entry open because you want to see if this market is going to give us this move all the way here. And when I was on Zoom on Friday with the team, what I did was I did something that I was talking about trend lines. So I did this. So basically what we had was we had a trend line. We had 1, 2. I'm not going to teach how I drew it, but 1, 2, and then the market came here and then came to this zone right here. Now, for every point the market touched the trend line, what I did was I put a horizontal line there. I put a horizontal line there. Now, what did the market do? Going back to this zone, let's see. Going back to this zone, what the market did was the market broke out of the trend line with a large candle. With a large candle. That is what the market did. And now, not just that it did that, it presented a trap right there. And guess what? It gave me my entry right there. And I said, X marks the spot. The breakout point is this. The breakout of that trend is this. And then you see this is a trend line. So this is more like an X. It marks the spot. So you put a horizontal line there, and that was our entry. So that is how I came about this entry. So I'm buying EUR GBP from here for 20 pips. For 20 pips, sorry, a stop loss of 20 pips. So EUR GBP, I'm buying it from there right now. That's what I'm doing. All right, you can join me if you want to, but if you don't want to, then it's fine. I'm just trying to tell you guys what I am doing. Have at the back of your mind, it is my own trade idea. You are not compelled to take the trade with me. All right, it is my trade idea. You are not compelled to take the trade with me. That's what I'm going to do. If you want to do it, fine. If you don't want to do it, forget about it. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. That is EUR GBP, and let's see. Let's see, 1 second. That's EUR GBP. Let's see. So I'm looking at if I looked at GU, no, EU, I guess. I think it was EU I was looking at. I was looking at EU. Let me take it with this. 1 second, please. If you hop on the Zoom, please just mute yourself out. Very important, please. Thank you. The reason why I don't mute everybody out is I'm trying to give everybody the opportunity to like have something to say whenever you have something to say. All right, so I have something on this pair, but I'm not going to call it. I'm not going to call it. I'm not going to call this one. I'm just going to say E. I'm going to just talk about EG. I'm not calling this one EG. There's really nothing. So let's go to GU. Let's see if we can find anything. GU, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't like where it's presenting itself. Absolutely nothing. Let's go to GJ. GJ could sell from here. GJ could sell from here. So let's see some. Let me see. See where my stop loss would be. Let's see from here. My stop loss is going to be here, 20 pips. So I mean, 20 pips stop loss for a move of this. I'm going to sell GJ. I'm going to sell GJ right now. Excuse me. I'm going to sell GJ right now. So I'm going to sell GJ right now. If you see what I'm doing, if you see how I'm managing what's it called, I'm managing the stops. I'm going to sell GJ right now. GJ, where are you? I'm going to sell you right now. I'm going to have a stop loss of what's it called, 20 pips. Okay. Stop loss of 20 pips. And then my first target is going to be 47 pips. So 151580 on 51.580. And my final target is going to be here on 51390. On 51390. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's hope for the best, you know. So that is GJ and EG. GJ and EG. 1 second. Let me find something. GJ and EG. So that's that. So that's each of them presenting 20 pips stop loss. So risk to reward, very important. So let me look at what do I have next. I don't think I'm going to take any more trades. It's Monday, so we're just going to have to be very careful. It's Monday, nothing or nothing, absolutely nothing. Okay, this is another one we've been waiting for from last week. So 1 second. This is another one we're waiting for last week. So this market comes all the way down here into either here or here. Then I'll pick a back position from here and take it back up at least for a minimum of I don't even know how many pips. For a minimum of let's say like 100 pips. So that's that. So GA was GA nothing, GA nothing, G card. What do you have for me? Oh, what's happening here? That's one thing about traps. What is happening here? Let's see. Good, no breakouts. I don't like this breakouts. All weeks. I don't like it, so I'm going to let it be. And there's really nothing anymore, so I'm just going to let them do what they want to do. There's really nothing. There's really nothing. So let's see if EG and GJ are going to pay us. So that's all I have on my plate right now. All right. Just so you know, it's Monday, so you just want to be all over the place. It's Monday. You don't want to be all over the place. So let's see where you are. Come here. Call the trade setup. I called it here. So I called it. Yeah. Yeah. Here. So this is what we have right now. This is what I called on this pair. I called it here. So the market is just sitting at the entry. Let's see. 1 second. The market is just sitting at the entry. And then EG, the market is sitting at the entry also. So guys, that's what I have.
Anthony,
Yeah. Yep.
can I say something? Good morning.
Morning, please.
Yes, on the GJ, if you look at 2 hour, if you look at it on 2 hourly, I think that
Okay.
spot we're buying from is actually the 50.62 zone to
On the
0.5,
two
0.62 zone.
on the 2 hour time, it's this one, right? 2 hour. That's what you said. Are you still there?
From the broker
Yeah.
I'm watching it from, yes.
Okay, so that's here. Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, from the
All right. No,
broker, from that broker, it's showing that it's on 0.50, 0.62 region. That's on
it's all right.
that's FXCM broker. Yes, on
It's all right.
trading.
It's all right, no problem. So I want to see this market come down from here. I still want to see the market come down from here. And let's see. Let me see. Trap King, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Let's go over to the higher time frame. Let's go to the daily. Let's see. On this time frame, to be honest, I want to see this market come down here before I look for any buy position. Down here before I look for any buy position. Down here, this is like how many pips? Let's say from here. I want the market to come down and take away Friday's low. This is Friday's low, about some pips. I want to come down and take away Friday's low. That's my first objective. And anyways, I hope you guys got the setups I'm looking at down. I hope you guys got it down. That's what I'm looking at. That's what K is looking at. Let's hope that we win them because I'm about to step out of the house and just go do something for myself. The entry I had was let me see. The entry I had was 152.034. That was the entry I had. 152.034. That was my entry right here. That was my entry there. That was my entry. So this is what I'm looking at. Anything you guys want me to? Do you guys want me to look at for you? Just have at the back of your mind that do not force yourself to pick a setup when there's no setup. Okay, it's very very important. If you don't see, let it go. It's just Monday. Okay, if you do not see, let it go. All right. So guys, um, so guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap. I'm gonna call it a wrap here. If you guys have any questions, try and reach me group, any of the groups, and I'll be willing and I'm glad to assist you. All right. Take it easy for those guys in no risk effect. If you see any setup, post it. You can tag me if you're not in no risk and you're in the free chat. If you see any setup, post it. You can tag me if you're in my Telegram group. If you see any setup, post it and you can tag me and let's just get everything back to life and let's have a discussion. All right. Because the truth is, posting a setup is a skill. If you do not post a setup, you don't get better. Some people are scared of posting a setup because people might take the trades and then they might lose the trade. Do you know how many trades I have posted that people have lost? But do you know how many I've posted that people have made so much money off of? All right, it's a skill and it only makes you better. I'm still learning and I urge you to do the same. All right, so having said that, thank you guys for being on Zoom. I'll talk to you guys later. And let's do this again tomorrow. Have a good day.